Hello, it's Jack16, and this is the first time I've ever used point motors, and believe it or not, they all work. Right, there's one, which is a running one at the moment. This one and this one is still not working. I'm still working on them. Still got to solder the wires up. I've got to put one here tomorrow, which is a new express point going off to the second platform. Here's where the controller will be. As you can see, there's wires everywhere under that. And here's the 3 point motors, but only 2 are, and 1 is only working. So let's have a look at it working. Right, got Wimbury, my favourite logo. Going the wrong way. Goes off to the tunnel. Stop. And just go to the switch. And it changes like that. Then I just bring Wimbury in to the other track. It's the first time I've ever used point motors, but I had the Pico ones. I've been told they are the best, better than Hornby. This will be a next one, which is number 2, that's number 3, that's number 1. The power, instead of using clips, I've drawn 2 holes, cut the ends off the connectors and soldered them to the track. So I've got a very sturdy thing, so electric, they cannot come out at all. Let's put the soldering iron back on her. There is the soldering iron. Only a cheap one I bought from Wilkinson's in Gloucester. Take some coaches out. The hammer is holding the point motor down because I couldn't pin it until I'd done the wires. Oops, I forgot to change it. There we go, there's the levers. And you'll see it's changed. And just bring Wimbury in. Oh, why hasn't it changed? It didn't change it for some reason, that's why. Right, try again. There we go, it's changed now. It's because the hammer is holding the motor down. That'll be the next job in a minute, pinning the motor down. Bring Wimbury in now. I need a couple up to the 3 GWR coaches. And take one to the next station. Here it comes. Stop a level crossing. Hope you like this update, and there will be a few more videos later on today with the other point motors.